Hi guys, my name is Wade from the OffersHub support team. In this video, I want to show you guys how to import and synchronize offers from your advertisers and affiliates around the world. So let's get started by logging into the platform. If you are not familiar with the platform yet, this is our demo account. You can refer to our previous videos that has been uploaded on our YouTube channel. So first we can go here, the offers tab. I have spoken about the whole how to manage offers, create offers and advertisers in my previous videos. You can find them in my in our YouTube channel, OffersHub support. So first you have to go to offers, then import offers, and then you can see import with sync API. You can click on that. So then you will be redirected to this page. So let me just tell you what I'm going to talk to you about. So let's say you have advertisers or affiliates, their platforms. With this tool, Offers Sync tool, it lets you import offers from these other networks just by few clicks, and it will sync your offer data, meta, payouts, etc. in real time as your advertiser makes changes in their whatever their platforms they are using. So once you get to this page, you can click this button, go button, under manage sources, and then it will take you to this page, and you can see there's one source already there. So that's like a test one that we already have. This is just showing that you have this source already linked, and it's enabled right now. So I'm going to show you how to add a brand new one. So you can click on this add new source, and then it will take you to this page. So first you have to fill out all this, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. So first you can put a ad network name, okay, and then you can select any tracking provider that is here. So first if the tracking provider or the ad network that you're looking to synchronize from is not here, you can always request us to add it here, so that using Skype or whatever you can contact your account manager, and then he will help you out. So I'm going to go with, there are like many offers already, many platforms already, so I'm going to go with Awazu over here. So once you select that, it will ask you for API credentials, source ID, account ID. So all the things that we ask over here under API credentials differs depending on who you select from here. So right now for Awazu, it's only asking for source ID and account ID. So you can get the source ID or account ID by logging into the platform of Awazu, or by contacting your account manager from that side, from the other side. So once you get that, you can fill it out here, and then select the advertiser that you want from here. Let's select something. So by doing this, you just select the local advertiser account you created for this advertiser. Then you go ahead and select the click ID parameter, which from this list, which advertisers used to track your click ID. So here, okay, and then the landing URL query. This query string lets you add extra parameters to imported offer landing URLs, and then we have that's optional. So we have the sources network default currency, and then auto sync, you can disable it or enable it, and then we have offer settings. So offer settings to apply when importing. So first option you have is revenue share. So so this, if you enter a percentage amount of revenue you're sharing with publishers for this advertiser. So for example, if you put 75% over here, if you put 75% over here, and the advertiser provides you a $1 per one conversion for one specific offer, system will set offer revenue as $1 and the payout to be 0.75 cents, $0.75, so that means 75 cents. So then we have the offer status. We have pending, active, and post. So let's set that to active. And then the offer access to public, approved only, and private. So you can set the offer access for the affiliates of the importing offers from the one of those three. And then the click validation to disable to enable. Let's keep it disabled, and once done you can click on add, and OffersHub will sync all offers from the advertiser within 20 minutes and will be listed under explore offers page. Let me show you that too. Let's go back, and you can also import the so once you add that there, it will be listed under this page. Let's go there. All the offers that were imported will be listed over here, like so. So these are the offers that are listed from the one we already had that I showed you. So this is one of the amazing features that we offer. You can browse most up-to-date list of offers from multiple sources from one page and compare, filter, import them into your network by one click. So you can filter by source. So if you have more than one, you can filter them by source, and then you can filter them by country and sort them by ID, ascending, descending, imported, name, payout, etc., and you can search for them as well. So let's go back and let me show you the one-click import. So if you know the offer ID that you want to import from your advertiser, you want to just create it without filling the long create offer form, you can do that by just clicking quick import start here, and then you can select the source network and put the offer ID, and you just have to fill out these offer category, channel, incentive, vertical, conversion type, and the media placement, and that's it. You can click import and that will be done. And then we have history for the recently imported ones. You can see your recently imported offer history, and then we have sync settings. These are some basic options that you can tick and untick, and you can save. Yeah, that's about it for this tutorial. Hope I covered everything that I wanted to. If you have any questions, you can comment below under the video, or just email or Skype as usual. Thank you for watching.